Hey, what's up, Bittorrent holder? So, Bittorrent holder, what's next? In upcoming time, they're going up or they fails down? Exactly, very big question of all Bittorrent holder. So, I explain in this video very deeply, my friends. So, kindly don't skip this video. Very important. What's my opinion to this is selling time, holding time, or buying time? I also telling you in this video, my friend. And what's the target of Bittorrent? Absolutely, I tell you, my friend, in this video because BTT especially very badly fails down and previous day. So let's get started the price prediction, my friend. First of all, but if you can see here, my friend, the all crypto market very badly fell from, but this time BTT is starting moving up. Plus 14.71% they change occur and going up. So congratulations, BTT holder. They are starting moving up. So congratulations again. My friends, please subscribe to our YouTube channel before I get started this video. If you are new, kindly subscribe this channel because this channel provides you very latest updates of all cryptocurrencies. So thank you so much, my brother, for subscription. Thank you, really thank you, my friend. Okay, come here, my friend. As you can see here, this time you can see here the last 1 hour change occur as plus 7% going up. Oh, my brother, my friend, this time they go off like a rocket. Exactly, the price is very fastly moving up. So congratulations, you can see here they're going like a rocket. So this time the good news, first of all, for every BTT holder. Okay, first of all, if we check out, my friend, the last this weekend, my friend, this weekend chart, absolutely, my friend, very badly fails down. You can see here, absolutely, my friend. But remember to after a fails they take a very high jump. Therefore, I think this is jump time, my friend. After a very big jump, my friend, a big dump, my friend, they take a jump and as you can see here, they go straightly, my friend. And this absolutely they go dump, my friend. And after this jump, they take a very high jump, my friend. You can see here they go in the moon. I hope they go in the moon and they give you very good profit at the end of this month. I hope, my friends, this prediction is right. They go up. If this circulation, you can see here, I do every decision about this circulation, my friend. I have 3 year experience, my friend. If you follow me, then absolutely you cannot lost, my friend. So please follow us. Okay, subscribe our YouTube channel, and if you want to more discussion or the conversation with me, then absolutely you follow me on Instagram. Go check out, the link is available on my channel, my friend. This time, if you can see here, they change occur minus 9.65%, but absolutely, my friend, you already see the last 7 days chart. Absolutely, they go like a rocket. They are go in the moon, my friend. So therefore, absolutely, I hold by all holder and my subscriber. Please, BTT holder, this is not a selling time, absolutely. And if you have any plan to buy more, then buy it, hold it, and wait for the end of month. I hope they give you very good profit. So thank you so much, BTT holder. Allah Hafiz, see you next time. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos and press bell icon for videos notification and like this video.